Namaste. Anulom Vilom Pranayama for opening the third eye channel for Ajya Chakra. Have you ever imagined that with this alternate breathing, we can work as you always get this authentic yogic information on this platform. So Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom is the top-notch pranayama in the series of your breath work. And Anulom Vilom is a potent pranayama which activates your Ida and the right Pingala Nadis. People who have the problem, sometimes their left nostril is blocked, their right nasal is blocked. With this pranayama, basically, you may easily work on both. You can target on your third eye. And if you know Sushumna Nadi, I have a specific video on Sushumna. If you are interested to know what is Sushumna, I will leave the link below in the description so you may have a look. So basically, Anulom Vilom has always physical working, mental working, emotional, and spiritual working. All these pranayamas they work, but Anulom Vilom has something special. Anulom Vilom in yogic way, Swami Ramdev he mentions, if you don't have enough time, basically he says every day you should practice pranayamas. But even though if you don't have that much time, you may only practice Anulom Vilom. So it gives you all the fruits what you get from other practices. It has everything in it. So first thing, meaning, what is Anulom Vilom? Anulom Vilom is the alternate breathing. That's the perfect meaning of Anulom Vilom means. Alternate means if I'm inhaling with my left, I'm activating my Ida Nadi. So alternate breath means I will exhale with the right. Second time, because my left is already blocked, it's pressed, I will inhale with the right. So I'm exhaling through left. So this is the only work of Anulom Vilom, what you keep in your mind, and basically it becomes your habit that you start to breathe with alternate side. So it's very interesting and something new to learn, to know. So if you're a serious yogi, please watch full video. I will show you how to practice Anulom Vilom. For Anulom Vilom, first your posture it matters. So basically Sukhasana or Siddhasana in legs cross series. These are two which are easy, and the reason is you can stay longer to practice. So first I will show you simple legs cross. So for legs cross, you can place one of the foot close to your anus region and the other leg just simply on the top. This is Sukhasana. If you want to practice Siddhasana, which is intermediate, so same, one of the foot with the heel is under your anus region. The other leg, replace it on the top of the leg. So if you're using the left on the top, it will be placed on your right leg. And then you will see your back. Your back will be straight. This is the main working of this series. As you practice Anulom Vilom, your posture. So your posture needs to be comfortable. As per the definition of an asana, Sthir Sukhamasana. Sthir means you are stable. Sukh means you are comfortable. And asana is your pose. So in any pose, when you are comfortable, you are relaxed, means you are practicing a posture. So this is the pose for your Anulom Vilom. You are stable. So to be stable, it matters. You are straight and you're activating your pranic flow, your general flow. General flow we talk about, in which you are inhaling deeper and you're exhaling almost double. So this flow you need to maintain before Anulom Vilom, because you're practicing with full flow, your normal breathing. And in Anulom Vilom, what we do, we are hitting both of the craniums. So if there is any blockage, it will open. And the reason is We can use both at the same time, so our Sushumna Nadi can be activated. This is a very interesting thing. You will not get this kind of information on other platforms. Always bring this authentic, auspicious knowledge that you could grow and you could learn. So the reason to practice Anulom Vilom is to hit your third eye channel. As we were talking about, it activates your third eye. When you're breathing, when you're both nasal, they are meeting here. This is the meeting point. This is the swing. So here, when it hits, automatically Sushumna is active. And if you know, Sushumna activates your third eye channel. And I will also bring the information next video about Agya Chakra in that series. So what is the role of Agya Chakra? What happens? How do you feel? What starts to happen in your personality? So there are characteristics of this region. Basically, it's a junction. Junction means where these two things are connecting to each other and the energy is falling to this point, and it has a big way. So basically, in Anulom Vilom, I showed you how to practice, but your practice needs to be deep. So for example, you're inhaling with left. You're making sure your lungs are getting big. They have full power, full prana in. When you will exhale with alternate, which is right. Same flow. You're trying to exhale longer, and always your exhalation is almost double of inhalation. Means we are releasing more CO2 out of the body. This is the basic pattern of Anulom Vilom. So if you are under a guru, they always teach you, they show you that your pranayama should be with Bij mantra. I will not go in the detail of Bij mantra, otherwise video will be so long. But in short, in a very limited time frame, whenever you practice pranayama, bring your mantra. Mantra is a chanting. Your guru always will specifically mention that mantra. So you just practice with your breathing. So this is the main working of Anulom Vilom, as I mentioned. You inhale with one passage and you exhale with the other. Next time you use that same passage, the alternate passage, inhale with that and you exhale with the alternate. So as the name, alternate breathing. This is very powerful. Yoga with Adrian. So she also mentions deep breath work. So what happens that your breathing is enlarged and your lungs are having full capacity. Now would come on the point of benefits of Anulom Vilom. Why should you practice Anulom Vilom? So simple. The first reason is you are getting a lot of pure oxygenated blood to the lungs, and the lungs, they purify it, and that's the reason you get fresh air. So as much oxygen level you have means you are healthy. Now the second benefit of practicing Anulom Vilom, that you have that fast blood circulation towards the chest, and you're having a lot of powerful vibrations. You can say that massage to the chest region, it helps to your muscular system. The third benefit physically, if you have sinuses problems in winters, your both nasals, they are blocked and you are unable to breathe regularly or properly. So this is very effective. It hits on both sides equally. So it opens your blocked passages. The fourth reason, it makes you so active. It makes you full of energy. If people, they feel down, they feel they are lacking the energy level. So basically, you may definitely try Anulom Vilom. Next point, the benefit with your physical point of view, that you are always in active mode. You are feeling high. Basically, it brings all the positivity to your body. So body does not lean towards the laziness. You're always on that active zone. So these were concerned with your physical side. I will cover the topic about mental side. As you're practicing breathing, you're practicing Anulom Vilom. What are mental benefits? So with mental benefits, you're always awake. Your brain is so fresh. The scientific reason, as much oxygen, fresh oxygen you're having, your brain reacts because your brain is also having fresh energy. So that's the reason it reflects on your mental side. You're very positive. You're coming out from the darkness. You start to live very happily. Now, the third point, which is spiritual benefits. Spiritual benefits are you're on your way to attain that level whom you are. Basically, the reason is you get your self awareness. So, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you liked, press the like button, put the comments, share the video, and if you're a newcomer, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.